All right, Tim's here with me today. And as you guys remember, Tim sold me Walnuts, and we want to know what's up. This is Walnuts' original motor, the stuck, semi-stuck, partly stuck motor. So we'll bring you back, show you what's wrong with it. All right, so when you got this thing home, it didn't turn at all until I got there, and
Shortly after, yeah.
yeah, and then
We broke it free and it'll rotate about 180 degrees in either direction, and that's about it.
with the clutch on it,
With the clutch on
which
it.
I don't have right now. So we got all the tools here. We're just gonna rip in. Let's get down to the recoil cup real quick, and we'll find out what the hell is that bolt. Oh, that's a 12. We'll get down to the recoil cup, and we'll see if it turns at all right now. All right. Oh boy, that's pretty stuck. Let me get a pry bar.
That's not looking good.
Let me get a Jimmy bar to put in there.
There we go.
Oh, just a little.
It moves.
It moves. All right, I'm going to get these spark plugs out. We're going to give it some Croil down the holes before we go any further. Well, these weren't tight. I wonder why.
Because we squirted shit down the hole.
Oh, we did squirt shit down the hole at your place, didn't we?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm all anxious with the Croil because I kind of forgot that. But I always like to Croil the shit out of everything. All right. Yeah, let's rip the head bolts off. All right. They don't fit down the spark plug hole. That's a good thing.
Yeah, we're pulling it apart anyway.
All right. There we go. That'll come up. They give you, Indy 500s give you these nice bosses to hit on, but I still use a soft hammer. And we got some rust, but it's not horrible. Let me grab a flashlight quick.
Oh, yeah.
It's just the rust.
It's just a rust hole.
If we hone that rust out of this thing will be fine.
I think so.
We could rip the top end right out, but
Because it moves. It's just that rust ridge right there.
it's just a rust ridge. All right.
Told you to run.
So there you go. Short video today. Salvageable motor. Tim did say it would run. So we'll salvage this. We'll hone her out, and we'll put some new pistons in it, assuming all the crank bearings turn good, because with this much rust on the top end, I am going to rip it apart. But it looks like the way it was sitting, it had this piston at top dead center, this piston at bottom, so it's not a shock that this hole got rusty. We don't think this one's got much, if any, rust on it at all. Kind of got sealed off by the piston skirt. We're pretty sure that, the moisture came in through the exhaust.
Damn rodents.
Yep. So future video, we will salvage this. All right, so that's it for this little video here. We know it's just a short one today, and I don't know when this will appear. Someday in the future, when I'm running short on content, we'll poop this one out. This is a bank video. So huge thanks to the patrons. Your names are up here. And just in case this comes out months later, we're sorry if you joined after this video was made. I got to add the names in when I'm actually editing and rendering the video, and I realize people come and people go from time to time. This is the people that were patrons on the day I did this video. So thanks to all the patrons. you know, if you want to get your name up there, or you want to see all the videos early and you can watch them ad free on the Patreon, and you just want to support us with a little bit of pizza and beer money, there's a link down in the description or in the comments. Click that, go to the Patreon, help us out. $5-10 a month that goes a long ways when a lot of people do it and gets your name up there. Everybody else, well, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the trails.
Cheers.